Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new collection on your Woocommerce store and then import a product and link it to this collection. So first, from WordPress dashboard, we're going to go to products and we're going to choose categories. And here we're going to give the new category a name. And scroll down and click on add new category. You can see it here. Now we're going to go to AliExpress and look for a product to import. Let's take this one. I'm going to click on the add button and edit here everything that I want to edit. And then from the collection, I'm going to choose the new category that I just created. And I'm going to click on add product. Now let's edit the product. Okay, so we can see it's linked to the new category that we just created. That's it. Thank you for using Importify.